Another kitty eating. Lexi. Lexi, is it good? It's my leftover oatmeal. Lexi. Can't see your face eating. Oh, there's Lexi's face. Did you like it? Lexi, don't leave yet. My God. Don't bother her. Lexi, do that thing again.
Don't bother
No,
her.
because you stopped doing that. Why are you mad at me? I'm not bothering you. I just want you to do something. The cat owner will be mad at us. I'm just gonna post it as short. Lexi cat. Lexi, I got your tail. Lexi, I got your tail. Look how crazy she is. She found out that she can do that thing too. No.
Hey,
Itchy. Itchy bitchy.
hey. Hey, what you doing?
Oh, let her play. Oh.
Hey, what you doing? Huh? What you doing? I'm get you.
She's gonna sneak
I'm
in.
gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'll get you.
Oh, don't bother the kitty. She's playing. Lexi. Hey, Blexi. Hey, Blexi. Hey, Blexi. Oh, don't.
Dyslexia.
Oh, Lexi's eating cheese. Wow. The picky eater is eating cheese and she cannot eat it. Go ahead, Lexi. Go, go, go. Lexi, go, go, go. Lexi, go, go. Oh, you ate it. You want more? Actually, cheese is bad for kitty.
It is?
Yeah, just some moderation. Unless they have a indigestion or vomiting or diarrhea. Oh, you got two. Wow, Lexi.
Yummy.
Yummy. Oh my God, we got another kitty there who doesn't eat cheese. Oh, you want cheese? I don't think she wants cheese. Uh-oh. We got lots of kitties. Try it, Gracie. She's...
No.
Hey, Gracie, try it. Try the cheese, Gracie. Hey, try the
Don't you
cheese.
like cheese this morning?
She doesn't like cheese. Hey, there, the other one over there. Here's the cheese. Anybody want some
Look at her.
cheese? Look at
How
that
did she
kitty.
balance there like that?
She likes to be near you. Kitty likes to be near, babe. Hey, Gracie, eat your cheese over here. Cheese. Gracie don't like cheese. But if you force her, you don't like the smell of it.
Try it. You'll like it.
You like it. She eats sometimes when she sees somebody eating it. Okay. The cheese is left behind. Oh.